In today's video we will be showing you how to fix Instagram music is unavailable in your region in Instagram. First go to Play Store. Now search for TLS Tunnel. Install the application. Open the application. Select the tick at the top right corner to agree to the app's terms and usage policy. Select the three lines at the top left corner. Select Official Server. Select any server of your choice, specifically Canada or United States of America server. Touch the Start button. Select OK. Exit TLS Tunnel and now open Instagram. Touch the Your Story button at the top left corner. Select the capital and common A button at the left of the screen. Touch the Shutter button at the bottom of the screen. Touch the icon with the smiley face at the top of the screen. Select Music. Browse or search for any music of your choice. Here, you can change the font of the words, the duration of the music and the parts of the music that you want to be played. When finished, select Done. Select the Your Story button at the bottom left corner.
like a Hellcat.